Hi and welcome to the EVO 4 up to 87 languages video tutorial. I'm going to create the project for you. Then we're going to go to page speed insights from Google and see how it performs. Then we'll go to Ahrefs and see what DR it is and go from there. So let's get started. We will go to the EVO AI sandbox, and I'm going to use an existing prompt of mine, the 2000 word article. In this I have to update the keyword phrase, which is, that's my main term, and go down here and update the URL. Money site URL goes here, so I'll copy that. So we've got our typical prompt, and then at the end of the prompt we go, please create this content in German. Now obviously that can be any language you like out of the 87, which is, I can assure you, any that you want to use is listed within that 87. Okay, hang on. I'll pause here and I'll come back with a list of the 87 languages that are available. Okay, so here are the languages. You can pause this video to check them if you like, but we have these languages here: the Asian, Arabic, Hebrew, and these are the other ones. So very cool. Back to here. Now we click on create. So now we're creating the content based on the prompt, but in the language of German. I'll come back once that's completed. Okay, here we are, and this is the article content. Beautiful. You'll see here, this is a link to an external authority site. So we now have the option to add more content. For example, if we like, we could add a put in a YouTube video. So I'll copy the embed from the YouTube video and we'll put that just below the fishing. So I'll just type in video, go to source, Control F, video, paste. So now we've got the embed of the YouTube video. So now we click on save article and that will send it to the system. But while we're here, I want images for this. So I will select one I've used before. Deep sea fishing charters, beautiful. Create image. I'll come back once that's done. Okay, image is finished, so now I click on add to article and we're done for this section. Now we go over to create new project, select number 2. Now we've got to fill out this content. Now what's important here is this should all be in German apart from the project name, so I'll fill that out and come back. Before I do that, I'll show you that in here I put in the terms, my keyword phrases in OpenAI. Please convert these terms below into German language, please. So these are my terms and these are the German equivalents, so I'm going to copy and paste them in. Okay, so I've got the main title, I've got the description, which is my 4 main keywords down here using Spintax, the main keyword phrase, the URL, and we click next. Here is the content. I'll just move that down. Very, very cool. So all that content is there, click next. I will select this linking method, click next, add all, then click on finish, and that is completely done. Start job. So that will come up in the queue, and once it's completed I'll come back and show you the results. So there it is in the queue, the project name and the title. I'll come back once that's done and I'll show you the results, and then we'll put those results into the Google speed test and Ahrefs. Okay, project test completed, so it's down in this section, so let's check it out. So let's check them out. I'll check out this one. Very cool. So let's check the speed on this. So there you go, pretty impressive. If you remove the embed, the performance would improve. That's due to the JavaScript. So let's check out DR91. Dude, you got to be happy with that. Where is it? Let's have a look at another one. Very, very cool. So this is incredibly powerful. Having the power, the SEO power of EVO in non-English speaking, less competitive markets is just an absolute no-brainer. So I hope you've enjoyed the video. Feel free to ask any questions in the comments below. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.